Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, thank you for stopping by. Today I am doing some block printing. I entered a contest for Spoonflower and it was for block printing, so I thought I would start from scratch and get out my, I think it's Speedball, that is the company. I think I have a video or two on my channel from doing this before. I had made some stamps for just like the gel press and things like that. Gel printing. Oh, I missed my gel printing. I need to get back to gel printing. But I don't do it a lot because I have carpal tunnel in my left hand. I know it's kind of weird because I'm right-handed, but apparently I do a lot of things with my left hand. I'm an interpreter for the deaf and I play the piano, and it's just, I don't know. My left hand's not happy. So it can be hard on my hand. So I don't do a ton of it, but I thought, well, when we had this challenge over on Spoonflower to make some fabric, I thought I'm going to go ahead and try. I had been painting a bird just the day before, and so I thought, well, that's a pretty easy shape to do. So I went ahead and drew a bird right on the block with that pencil there. And I'm using this tool, which has interchangeable diggy outy things, whatever they're called, and some bigger ones and smaller ones, and just kind of carving out that stuff. And I leave the bigger chunks, and I save those to use for another stamp or something instead of wasting it. But yeah, it's kind of fun. It's kind of like the old school printing ways, but I'm not that great at it in terms of making a mess. You kind of have to picture in your mind, you know, it's kind of like you're carving out the negative space. So I was trying to give him a bit of a branch to stand on, and yeah, that is the finished product. And so I tried inking him up with my distress inks, which were a little on the dry side. So I also made some more shallow marks there, as you can see, just to give him some texture. And so I made the branch the brown, the vintage photo, and then I think chip sapphire there I've got. And then I was going to put a third color in there, and I didn't want to get my ink dirty, so I kind of was rubbing it off there. It's an oxide one too, so it's bolder. I was just trying to get some texture. So I went ahead and stamped that out. That's just some copy paper. I was just testing it. That's the bird that inspired me from yesterday. And that was the first stamping. So I thought it was pretty good. And obviously I have to be cleaned up a little bit digitally to for some of the outside marks. So I thought I would do it again, and this did not come out very well the second stamping, but that was just me. I goofed it up, but so don't look at that. But I guess you have to because it's right there. But I tried to salvage it by coloring it in the missing stuff. But the first one was definitely the best print, and yeah, it's a lot of fun though. If you do block printing, let me know in the comments below. Also check out all the links below, all the good stuff, affiliate links, as well as my own website and various places that my artwork can be seen and purchased. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, all that good stuff. So now I thought I would go in and just paint right on the block. I had my watercolors nearby, so I went with that, but you could do acrylic paint or things. As long as you clean it right away, it should be fine. So that way I was trying to get some multiple, just some variegation and things. So I was kind of coloring right on the stamp, I guess, if you want to say it that way. And it was starting to beat up, so I was kind of trying to hurry. I got too much water in there, I think, and so the less water, the better. And then I stamped that out just to see how that would turn out. Obviously, it's very watery looking, but it looks kind of neat. And yeah, you never know till you try, right? And yeah, so I kind of tried to smooth that out again, and tried some browns, smushed that around a little too much. Again, you know, art, it's for exploring. Stamped him out, and that was a brown version that didn't come out super great. So I think my first one was kind of my best shot there, and here he is. And I did make some patterns. I can't reveal the one I entered, but keep in the loop for those. They turned out really some pretty blue patterns that I made from that guy. Thanks guys for joining me. I hope you give something a try creative today, and I hope you have a blessed day.